Next one is the homogeneous coordinate system. So in the design and picture formation process, many times we may requires to perform the translation, rotation, scaling to fit the picture components into their proper location. So we need some transformation, or we need some operations to perform for that concern. So in the previous section, we have to see each of the basic transformation, for example, scaling, rotation, and translation. So the general matrix representation for the equation is P dash is equal to P into M1 plus M2. This is your equation number 1. For the rotation, for the translation, we get P dash is equal to P into 1 0 0 1 plus Tx and Ty. This is your translation parameter. Here M1 and M2, it is the identity matrix, and this is the translation matrix. Means this is your identity matrix, this is your translation matrix, or translation vector is here. So for the rotation, P dash is equal to P into cos theta sin theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta plus 0 0. This is the M1 is equal to identity rotation matrix, and the M2 is 0. So for the scaling, P dash is equal to P into Sx 0 0 Sy 0 0. This is your scaling matrix M1, and M2 is the 0 parameter. So produce the sequence of the transformation with the above equations, such as a translation follows by the rotation, and then rotation follows by the scaling. We must calculate the every parameter, so the transformation coordinate one step at a time. ओके. सो याच्यामध्ये आपण काय करणार आहे, 1 by 1. मी पहिले काय करेल, ट्रान्सलेशन करेल, मग नंतर काय करेल, स्केलिंग करेल, मग काय करेल, रोटेशन करेल. म्हणजे डिपेंड्स ऑन द सिक्वेन्स which is given by the end user, we can follow it by one at a time. So the coordinates are translated, then this translated coordinates are scaled, and finally we can rotate that object. But this sequentially transformation process is not effective or the efficient, because the n number of operations or n number of calculation we need to be performed. So more efficient approach is to be a combine the sequence of transformation into the combined sequence of the transformation into the transformation. So we can consider the single matrix for the each and every operation. So this eliminates the calculation of the intermediate coordinates value. So in order to combine the sequence of transformation, we have to eliminate the matrix addition associated with the translation terms in the M2. So to achieve this, we have to represent the matrix M1 is equal to 3 into 3 matrix format instead of the 2 by 2. So we consider the 3 by 3 matrix. So for that purpose, we need to be add the dummy elements into the 2 by 2 matrix, which is called as a W, which is your dummy elements, dummy coordinates or element. So where the point are specified by the 3 number instead of the 2, this coordinate system, which is called as a homogeneous coordinate system. So it allows us to express all the transformation equation as a matrix multiplication. For that purpose, we need to be a convert 2 by 2 matrix with to the 3 by 3. So with the help of W, we have to add the dummy elements into the 2 by 2 matrix. So the homogeneous coordinate system with the representation XW, YW and W here. So where the S is equal to XW divided by W and Y is equal to YW divided by W. So for the two-dimensional transformation, we have a homogeneous parameter W to any number which is the non-zero value. but it is convenience to have a W is equal to 1. So why we consider 1? Because whenever we multiply the 1 to any number, so we get the same number. So with the help of this, the calculation is not so complicated. So therefore we have to consider W is equal to 1 here. So therefore each two-dimensional position we can represent it with the help of homogeneous coordinate system with the help of x comma y comma 1 here. So we can say that the homogeneous coordinate system allows the combined transformation and eliminates the value. Thus, we have saved the time for the calculation purpose, and we can reduce the money of the storing the intermediate coordinate value in the given system. So, we can consider the homogeneous coordinate system for the translation here. So what is the basic matrix of translation is 1 0 0 1 means Tx and Ty. So whenever we add the translation matrix Tx Ty and here is 1. So this is your translation matrix. T is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 Tx Ty and 1. Tx and Ty is the translation factor. Then if we multiply this with the original object is x and y. If we represent that object with the help of homogeneous, we need to be add the 1 is here. So what is the value of x dash, y dash and 1 is equal to xy1 into 1 0 0 0 1 0 tx ty1. This is your homogeneous coordinate system for the scaling. For next one is the homogeneous coordinate system for the rotation. So what is the R? Rotation matrix is cos theta, sin theta, sin theta, cos theta. If we add 1 is here, so we need to be place 0 in the another location. So this is the homogeneous coordinate system for the rotation. So same we can apply for the x and y. So this is the resultant matrix is x dash y dash 1, x y 1, and this is we can place same matrix here. Again, we can consider the homogeneous coordinate system for the scaling. What is the matrix for the scaling? Sx 0, 0, sy. So we need to be add is here, 1 is here. So we can replace 0 for the remaining location. Again, we can get x dash y dash 1 is equal to x y1, and we can place same matrix here for the scaling factor. So this is the homogeneous coordinate system for the reduce the n number of calculation with the help of combining the different transformation matrix and form a single one. So in this, the object matrix is written first and then it is then multiplied by the required matrix. If we wish to write the transformation matrix first, then the object matrix, we need to be take the transpose of the given both matrix and then we need to be change the position of the translation matrix and the original matrix. म्हणजे आपल्याला जर ओरिजिनल मॅट्रिक्स आणि ट्रान्सपोज मॅट्रिक्सचं जर चेंज करायचं असेल ट्रान्सलेशन मॅट्रिक्सचं लोकेशन म्हणजे हे इकडे आणि हे इकडे तर आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल दोघांचं ट्रान्सपोज फाइंड करावं लागेल आणि आफ्टर दॅट वी कॅन ऑफ दी here. Now take the example of another example is here. Give a 3 by 3 homogeneous coordinate transformation matrix for each of the following translation. One is the shift the image to right 3 unit. Second one, shift the image up to 2 units. Then third one, move the image down 1 by 2 units and right 1 unit. And fourth one is move the image downward 3 by 2 by 3 units and left one 4 units. So first we have to consider first parameter here. Shift the image to the right of 3 units. So आपल्याला काय करायचं त्याच्यानंतर त्याच्यासाठी आधी तुम्हाला लागणार आहे शिफ्ट करायची म्हणजे ट्रान्सलेट करायची. सो वी नीड अ ट्रान्सलेशन मॅट्रिक्स 1 0 0 0 1 0 tx ty and 1. This is your translation matrix. So plot the value. त्यांनी काय सांगितलं इन द राईट डिरेक्शन. राईट मीन्स काय झाला तुमचा tx इज इक्वल टू 3 आणि त्यांनी ty ची व्हॅल्यू म्हणजे लेफ्टची व्हॅल्यू दिली आहे का नाही. सो ty इज इक्वल टू 0. So plot that value, put that value in the given matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0. What is the value of tx is 3 0 1. This is your resultant matrix for the first parameter. Next one is the shift the image up to 2 units. Upward direction ला किती सांगितलंय 2 units. ओके पण आता 2 युनिट्स कशी सांगितली त्यांनी अपवर्ड डिरेक्शनला म्हणजे व्हॉट इज द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ टी वाय इज हियर 2 and what is the value of tx is 0. So put that value in the above equation 1 above matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 2 0. This is your next matrix. What is the next question is here? Move the image down with the 1 by 2 units. Okay, 1 by 2 units and 1 unit at the right side. So what is the value of right side means tx is equal to 1 and what is the value of ty is equal to 1 by 2. What is the value of 1 by 2 is? What is the value of 1 by 2? What is the answer is 0 minus 0.5. So put that value 1 0 0 0 1 0. What is the value of tx is 1 minus 0.51. This is your next answer. Next is the move the image in the downward 2 by 3. Downward means what is the value of downward means tx. What is the value of 2 by ty? What is the value of 2 by 3 is minus 0.66 and what is the value of left side is 4. म्हणजे काय what is the value of tx is equal to minus 4. Put that value 1 0 0 0 1 0 minus 4 minus 0.66 and 1. This is the normal representation of your matrix.